get your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high, till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to another wig install video. You don't know it's a girl Decky Boo, and today's wig is from Wigsbyshellyanncurran. They have the best wigs. When I tell you quality mixed fibers and also human hair, I mean quality. Guys, you can go over their Instagram and check them out at Wigsbyshellyanncurran and be a baddie on a budget. For this install, I have my wig cap, my super lace glue, my concealer, my bonnet from Wigsbyshellyanncurran as well. I got it as a free gift. My makeup brush, my edge control brush, my razor, and my elastic band. Yeah, I call it elastic band because it's stretched out. Yeah, also my Gossipy glue spray, which is done. Yeah, so this oil now is from my cousin, yeah, our air growth oil, which I need her to put on the market, guys, because my hair has been growing tremendously since I've started using it. Yes guys, 2 weeks growth. I'm gonna show you a piece of that. Look on the screen, look there guys. Talk to me nice.
With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am.
As you can see, I'm trying a different wig cap method. I don't normally put my hair through the hole, but I saw someone do it, so I was like, why not try it? But the cap was giving me a little bit of trouble because it would have stayed down. So what I did was use a Gossipy glue spray, blow dry it, and then pull it down. Also use my concealer to conceal that area. You're gonna see me brushing it out, and you're gonna also see me using the glue to hold that down a little bit more. But guys, this is how the wig is. It's a full frontal wig, yes, so I can do side parts as well. But I ain't a professional, so you guys not gonna see me do that. That's a super lace glue, one of the baddest glue ever, but I don't like how it's so sticky and it's easy to mess up with this glue, guys. So you gotta be very careful if you're gonna use this glue. It's one of the cheapest glue I've seen, and it's the reason why I bought it. But yeah, that's how the wig cap is looking. Just putting on the glue right there. I'm gonna let that dry. Please remember, I'm not a professional, so whatever I'm doing in this video is not to teach, it's not to let anyone aware of anything, it's just to entertain. Make sure to get your waist wrap from Swiss Accessories and More. That's my business page. Go on Instagram and follow me. Also follow me on my main page at DeckyBoo_87_ and my motivational page. That's DeckyBoo_motivations with a Z. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, share and subscribe to at least 2 of your friends. Let them know that Decky Boo is on a road to 5K and we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. People gon' come here from everywhere and I'm almost there. Africa, people from Ghana, people from America, people from the UK, people from Jamaica, people from all over the world gonna come over here. So make sure you share. Okay, boo, I love you.
You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Don't take my energy from your hardware. My boss no say I'll be my healer, everything I desire. I'm gonna receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my lead. I'm feeling body on my back. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.
So because I plait up this wig, it kinda have a little curly-ish look, a little bouncy look. It should be straight, but you know a flat iron can rectify the situation. But for now, I'ma just have it in a bun because I'm going to work and it's gonna be so hot. No ACs at work, unfortunately. And the one bag of ear in my face ain't gonna work.
I've been throw up the sex in
Let me know what you think about this here in the comments section, and remember to go over Wigsbyshellyanncurran and give them your support.
I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
I am in love with this wig. It's just complementing my color.
I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video, you for leave it.